What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Lexus RX350 remote key fob. This Lexus RX350 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the key will slide out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, you can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and stick it in that notch like this, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm just going to twist like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. And then when you actually pull the case apart, take it all the way, the rest of the way apart, make sure you have the buttons facing down like this. And then we'll pull the back cover off. Then we'll grab our key and use it to get under the edge of this battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'll tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.